House again is a product that we're going to be reviewing that goes underneath your bed for storage. Please remember, when this comes to your door, it's got some weight to it. It's not that light. And what is this? And let's open it up, show you what you get inside. Removable under bed storage cart. You have your parts A, B, C, D, and it gives you directions on how to build. And everything is very simple to do. So the first step is we're going to assemble method. You got 2 pieces here, and you're going to do 1 set at a time. This is the bottom, part number B. This is part number A that opens up. Man, that is nice and big. Look at that. Take off the paper, and if you can't find your bolts and nuts, they're on the actual casters. So what you're going to do is take everything off, go get yourself a little crescent wrench and a screwdriver. We have all the nuts and the bolts, and what you're going to do is place your caster on top, take your bolt, and you're going to place it like so. You don't want to do it the opposite way like this, because what's going to happen is it's going to get in the way. And you want to be careful when you put things on the other side, because the nut may just get in the way. When you build everything and it's all done, you load it up with whatever novelties, furniture, ware, clothing. They simply will go underneath, depending on the room you have, like so. And then you simply cover it up, and that's what it's meant for. So now when you want to pull it out, you simply just grab it, and you're able to get everything you need. These under the bed, cabinet, drawers, storage units are great for just about anything imaginable. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.